Ever wanted to dive into web design but felt overwhelmed by the technical jargon? Let's get started by installing Dreamweaver on your Windows 10 machine. First things first, ensure you have an active Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. Open the Creative Cloud app. Navigate to the Apps section within Creative Cloud. Look for Dreamweaver in the list of available applications. If it shows as install, click it and patiently wait for the installation to complete. The installation process may take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. Keep an eye on the progress bar. Once installed, Dreamweaver will be ready to launch. After installation, find Dreamweaver. You can find it in your Start menu by typing Dreamweaver in the search bar. Click on the Dreamweaver icon from the search results, and there you have it. Dreamweaver is up and running on your Windows 10 system. Now, you're ready to create new documents, choose from various templates, and customize your workspace. Begin your web design journey by exploring the interface. Dreamweaver is a powerful tool. Explore, experiment, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn. Congratulations, you're now equipped with the essential first steps to web design with Dreamweaver on Windows 10. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips.